Hello everyone, and welcome back to Writing Tutorials. In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to write a job application letter for the position of welder. We will look closely at a fully written sample, explain every part in detail, and help you understand exactly what to write and why. By the end of this video, you will be confident in writing your own professional welder job application letter that is clear, organized, and effective. Before we begin, let's start with a short definition. A job application letter, also known as a cover letter, is a formal letter sent to a company when applying for a job. It introduces you to the employer, highlights your qualifications, and explains why you are the right person for the position. For welders, this letter is especially important because it gives employers a chance to see not only your technical skills, but also your professionalism, commitment to safety, and work ethic. Now, let's go step by step through the letter sample so you can understand each section and learn how to write your own. We begin the letter with the applicant's personal information, written on the top left of the page. Ethan Rodriguez, 2981 Lincoln Meadow Drive, Fort Wayne, Indiana, 46805. Email, ethan.rodriguez@email.com. Phone, 260-487-5921. This section is very important because it identifies who is writing the letter. You should always include your full name, your home address, your email, and your phone number. This makes it easy for the employer to contact you. It also shows that the letter is professional and complete. Make sure to double-check the spelling and format. Small mistakes here might give a bad first impression, so accuracy matters. Next, we include the date the letter is written. Date: January 15th, 2026. The date helps keep a record of when your application was made. Employers may receive many applications, so having a date helps with documentation and organization. Always write the full date in a clear and formal format. After that, we write the employer's information or the company details. Hiring manager, Midwest Fabrication and Steelworks, 1842 Industrial Parkway, Toledo, Ohio, 43607. This section shows who the letter is being addressed to. If you know the hiring manager's name, you could replace hiring manager with their name. But if not, using a title like this is completely fine. Then, write the company name and full address. This ensures that your letter is properly formatted and looks professional. Next, we add the subject line. Subject: Application for welder position. This subject line gives a quick and direct summary of the purpose of the letter. Employers can immediately understand what your letter is about, which makes it efficient and professional. For job applications, your subject should clearly include the job title you are applying for. Now we come to the salutation. Dear Hiring Manager, the salutation is your greeting. Because we don't have a specific name, we use Dear Hiring Manager, which is appropriate and respectful in professional letters. Always remember to add a comma after your greeting. If you know the manager's name, such as Mr. Wilson or Ms. Carter, you can address them by name, but if not, this greeting works perfectly. Now we enter the first main paragraph. I am writing to formally apply for the welder position at Midwest Fabrication and Steelworks, as advertised on your company website. With more than 5 years of hands-on experience in MIG, TIG, and arc welding, combined with a strong commitment to safety and production quality, I believe I would be a valuable addition to your team. This introductory paragraph is very important because it tells the employer 3 things: the position you are applying for, where you saw the job advertised, and why you believe you are a strong candidate. Notice how it mentions specific welding techniques like MIG, TIG, and arc welding. This shows the applicant has real measurable experience. Employers appreciate clarity and detail. Also, the reference to safety and quality demonstrates professionalism, something highly valued in welding jobs. Now let's move to the second paragraph. I currently work as a welder at Northline Metalworks in Fort Wayne, where I am responsible for interpreting technical drawings, welding structural components, and performing quality inspections to ensure compliance with industry standards. During my time there, I have successfully contributed to large-scale fabrication projects, equipment repairs, and precision metal assembly while maintaining a zero-incident workplace record. This paragraph explains the applicant's current role and responsibilities. It mentions interpreting technical drawings, which is an important skill because welders often need to understand blueprints. It also mentions welding structural components and performing quality inspections. These details show the employer that the applicant understands industry expectations and works responsibly. The sentence about contributing to large-scale projects and maintaining a zero-incident workplace record is very strong because it highlights achievement, reliability, and commitment to safety. When writing your own letter, always include accomplishments and results, not just duties. Next is the third main paragraph. I hold AWS certification and have extensive experience working with steel, aluminum, and stainless steel components. In addition to technical skill, I take pride in maintaining a clean and organized workspace, collaborating well with team members, and consistently delivering reliable workmanship under tight deadlines. This paragraph adds more qualifications and personal qualities. Mentioning AWS certification shows official professional credibility. Listing materials you've worked with helps employers evaluate your experience. The paragraph also highlights teamwork, workplace organization, and meeting deadlines. These are soft skills that employers look for because welding environments depend on coordination, safety, and efficiency. When you write your own job application letter, remember that employers want someone who is skilled but also dependable, organized, and cooperative. Now the next paragraph. I would greatly appreciate the opportunity to bring my expertise to Midwest Fabrication and Steelworks, a company known for its dedication to quality fabrication and industrial innovation. I am confident that my skill set, work ethic, and commitment to excellence align well with the expectations for this role. This paragraph shows respect and admiration for the company. It is always a good strategy to briefly mention something positive about the company, such as its reputation, achievements, or values. It shows that you are not sending one generic letter to everyone, but that you truly want to work with that specific employer. It also reinforces confidence without sounding proud. Employers appreciate applicants who believe in their own ability and value the work they do. Next comes the request for follow-up. Please find my resume attached for your review. I would welcome the opportunity to discuss how my experience can benefit your organization. I am available at your convenience and can be reached by phone at 260-487-5921 or via email at ethan.rodriguez@email.com. This paragraph politely invites the employer to move forward. It lets them know a resume is attached, shows openness to an interview, and provides contact information again for convenience. This is a professional and effective way to close the body of your letter. Now we look at the closing. Thank you for considering my application. I look forward to the possibility of joining your team. This closing sentence is polite and expresses appreciation. Employers like seeing gratitude because it reflects good attitude and professionalism. Finally, we have the signature block. Sincerely, signature, Ethan Rodriguez. Sincerely is a standard and professional closing phrase. Then the writer signs and prints their name. This confirms that the application is official and complete. Welding is a precise profession, and a letter full of errors may leave a negative impression. Finally, be honest about your skills and achievements. A truthful and confident letter is always more effective than exaggerated claims. And that brings us to the end of today's lesson on writing tutorials. I hope this breakdown helped you understand how to write a strong and professional job application letter for a welder position. With this structure and guidance, you can adapt the format to many different job roles and industries. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial.